Hi friends, hope everything is well. So I'm Chirag Modi and all of you are welcome on my platform of Astrology. So since last 1 week I have published several videos on we can say Rasi Fal, Bhavishya Fal for all the we can say signs starting from Aries to Pisces. But what queries I have got maximum from all of you that you are not aware about the Lagna sign or a moon sign. So, how to identify your Lagna sign or a moon sign? Before going to that, I would like to make it clear that ki never read or never listen the we can say reading or astrological forecasting or predictions based on your sun sign that we used to check on the basis of Western calendar. For an example, the person born between 15th April to 15th May is Aries sun sign. 15th May onward till 15th June, it is Taurus. So don't go that way. It is not a correct way. Okay, it will not match. For Rasifal, one has to check either moon sign or Lagna sign. And the most important sign for Gochar or a Dasa prediction is a moon sign. So, how to identify what is your Lagna sign and what is your moon sign? So, first of all, you should have your date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth in your head. You just open any of the app like astrosage.com or many apps are there, Drik Panchang and others apps are also there. On those applications, do one thing: just feed your data, give your name, then feed your date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth, and you will see your chart will be formulated. And the first chart which is formulated is known as the Lagna chart. Okay. And that is known as a Lagna Kundali, Lagna chart. So in that Lagna chart, what you have to see? You have to see the number which is given in the first house. Means see here you can see the chart, and inside this chart you can see the top center corner, top center quadrant or a square has a specific number, and that number is your ascendant. If your number is 1, then it's Aries. Your ascendant or Lagna is Aries. Ascendant is a synonym of Lagna. Okay. So if you have one number in the first that box of your horoscope in the center top corner box, then you are Aries. If you have two number, it's a Taurus. Likewise, 7 number Libra, 9 number Sagittarius, 12 number Pisces. So based on that, you can find out your ascendant sign or a Lagna sign. Now, how you will identify your moon sign? So you just check your chart, your horoscope. In that horoscope, you will come to know that moon is placed somewhere in your chart. Okay. So you just find out where the moon's placement is. And if the moon you see MO moon or a Chandrama, whatever it is written in the English, so moon is placed in any of the box, and inside that box, what is the number given? For example, you have ascendant Aries, but your moon is placed in the 10th house, so you are Capricorn moon, Aries ascendant. Similarly, you can understand. So wherever the placement of moon is there in your birth chart will become your moon sign. You just identify the number. Here you can see you can identify the number which is placed inside the box where the moon is located in your chart is your moon sign. That's very simple. That's very clear. I hope you understood. If you have a query, just post your queries. Thank you very much for connecting with me, and it's a very pleasurable moment for me to connect to all of you guys. I hope everything will be fine, everything will be well, and take care of yourself. And the coming days, the Diwali festival is on head, so wishing you the best Diwali. Thank you very much.